Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on Island Editing. So today I'm going to show you how to turn comments on. So as you can see, comments are off in this video. So you click edit video and it'll take you to your YouTube studio for that to load. Okay, right, so now you want to go down to audience and see how it's made for kids. You're going to make it no. Kids can still watch your channel as long as you don't make an age restriction. So then you can show more. You can go down. Wait for that to load. Go down. And you see how it says allow comments now? So it might say disabled comments, so you just gotta make that allow comments. So you click on that, make it from disabled to allowed, and then you go back up to the top. And then you click save, and boom, you're done. So now when I go back onto the video, you will be able to see that comments are, wait for that to load, you will be able to see that comments are now on, and that is how you turn comments on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and bye.